Ever read a poem and felt that it was written in another language? Or sat with a novel unsure what to actually write in your exam? Welcome to Creative Academy, where English literature stops being confusing and starts making sense. I am Urooz Ali, a Gold Medalist in English literature, UGC NET qualifier and CTET-certified educator. I have been exactly where you are, and I built this channel to help you master English from school exams all the way to postgraduate studies. Creative Academy is an educational platform dedicated to English literature, offering structured learning resources for school students as well as bachelor's and master's learners. What you will get on Creative Academy. On Creative Academy, you will be able to access English literature notes for all classes, bachelor's and master's English syllabus explanations, poetry, drama and novel analysis, literary theory explained in simple language, exam strategies and academic guidance, study materials and summaries, and also research-based learning content for students and teachers. So these are the things you will be easily accessing on Creative Academy. I hope this will help you to make your learning process easy. This channel is for students, aspirants and literature enthusiasts who want clarity, confidence and academic excellence in their English studies. Subscribe to Creative Academy and begin your journey towards a smarter and deeper learning in English literature. Thank you for watching.